Now that we've done our warm-up, let's have a look at some questions. Now they're very similar, except we're looking at grouping and sharing them into different groups, and obviously our focus is on 10, on dividing by 10, so we're going to be sharing by 10 and grouping in 10. So here are 20 flowers. We can share the flowers between 10 pots. So sharing between 10. They each get 1, they each get 2. There's 2 flowers in each pot. 20 shared by 10 equals 2. Now we're going to look at them grouping. So the flowers are grouped into pots of 10. So one pot, I'm going to put 10 in. One pot, I'm going to put 10 in. There are 2 pots of 10. 20 into pots or into groups of 10 equals 2. 1 times 10 is 10. 10 times 10 divided by 10 equals 1. 20, so 2 times 10 is 20. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So how we can use our multiplication knowledge to just reorder the numbers to make a division sum. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 divided by 10 is 3. So we've just swapped them round. The largest number always goes first, whereas multiplication it goes at the end. And then these two can swap. Those two can swap. 4 times 10 is 40. 40 divided by 10 is 4. And so on. So 1 times 10 equals 10. Look at the same numbers, just in a different order for division. We can do this all the way up. Okay. Use the array to complete the calculations. So we've got 2 multiplication and 2 division. So let's do the multiplication first. We've got 3 groups of 3, 6, 9, 10. So we've got 3 times 10. Then we can swap them round to make 10 times 3 equals 30. Now we can use that knowledge that we have, those numbers, to put into here. The answer for multiplication is going to be our starting number for division, and then we can just put the 10 and the 3 in the other 2 boxes. So we can see just by looking at one array, we can make 2 multiplication and 2 division. And look at them, they've all got the same numbers, they're just in a different order. But you've got to make sure that those are in the correct order, because we can't have 3 divided by 30 equals 10. Okay, so make sure when I say you can put them in any order, it's got to be any correct order. Same with this one, except this time we've got 40. So now we've got 4 groups of 10. So then we can swap them around, 10 groups of 4. Swap the numbers round, so the biggest number goes first. 40 divided by 10 equals 4. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. Got some word problems here. Alex buys 10 rolls. She pays with £1 coin and gets 10p change. Ten rolls cost 90p. 90 divided by 10 equals 9, or groups of 10. Because we have, she pays with £1 coin and gets 10p change. So the first step we need to do is we need to take away that 10p. So the 10 rolls cost 90p. So the total amount is the 90p, and we have 10 rolls. So if we divide 90 by 10, we get 9. So each roll costs 9p. Whitney buys 2 rolls. How much does Whitney spend? So then we can work out, because we've worked out how much one roll costs, if we buy 2 of them, 2 times 9, we can't really do, we don't know our 9 times table, but if we swap them round, 9 times 2 equals 18, so Whitney spends 18p. Have a go at the questions on the worksheet now.